Yeah, we're back on the roof. Shingles are coming along. We've already done the chimney. So I got to do around that side later on. But yeah, Vince is hard at work. Just tossing them down the shingles from the supply here. And tossed the hammer, but didn't quite go all the way down. So
yeah, but I know how to
just
walk
stick them
on
in
it.
there. Oh yeah, it's all good. Yeah, well, you're like half the way to me, man. You're what, $1.25?
$1.30.
$1.30 soaking wet, yeah. I'm like 235-ish. Fucking scale lied to me the other day, saying I was 237. It's like, fuck you. Trying to add 2 pounds. What am I, on camera? It's 10 pounds. Yeah, so we're just getting let out, listening to some Zeppelin. Enjoying the cloud cover. It's only drizzled a little bit so far, but, you know, hopefully the rain holds off till 5. It's supposed to go down at 1, but looks like we're doing pretty good, so. This is Deutschland Dan signing off. Peace out. Been a long time since I rock and roll. There we go. Try to keep them under